Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the true depth camera and current iPad OS. That's non-negotiable. Once you've confirmed model and updated, open Settings, tap Face ID and passcode, then choose Setup Face ID. Position your face inside the frame and follow the on-screen guide. Move your head slowly to complete the first scan. This initial pass captures multiple facial angles. Do it now rather than later, because the system needs those angles to reliably unlock in different lighting and orientations. Once done with the first scan, the setup prompts you for a second rotation to fill gaps. Complete both rotations for a robust three-dimensional map. Make sure to enable alternate appearance if you wear heavy makeup, hats, or notable facial changes, because that trains a second profile. Next, select which features use Face ID. iPad Unlock, Apple Pay, and Password Autofill are typical choices, so you understand why permissions matter and how Face ID integrates into everyday tasks. Finish by testing Unlock across common use cases. Hold the iPad at arm's length, try Portrait and Landscape, and check low light performance. If Face ID fails, make sure the true depth sensor area is clean and not blocked by a case or film. These physically interfere with infrared mapping. If problems continue, restart the iPad, install any outstanding updates, and if needed, go to Settings, Face ID, and passcode reset Face ID, and repeat setup. That reset is the single most effective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.